EV, let me say, EV has a bright future due to regulation, more and more all over the world, and India is inside this moving scope. It will push OEM to develop electrification, either EV, either PHEV, or either MHEV. So for sure, it will be done. It will be necessary to do that. Otherwise, the OEM, different OEM, will not fill the regulation, and it's absolutely not possible. It's a difficult question because, in fact, at the moment, even abroad, the trend is not completely clear because it's just starting for mass production, and we don't know really what will be the customer feedback. So we are pushing, we are developing, we invest a lot for that, but we still are waiting for the sales and the customer feedback. Anyway, what I can maybe see for India, in Europe, the cost is very high of this thing, and all the OEMs are involved to decrease step by step the level of the design, to improve the efficiency of the design, to work to reduce the price. India, you have important positive point, which is the level of the labor cost, which is much better than other countries. You have a huge country, a lot of power also available. So it's probably opportunity to go in this direction with some updates of or maybe some decontenting of the performances in order to fit with the local network and the local content, and maybe be closer to the needs, because in fact the key is the need of the customer. And I'm sure in India, I can see this every day in the streets, it's not the same as in Europe, for sure. So probably, but it's only my feeling, I have no other evidence. I would say an opportunity for India is to go with maybe less performance of battery system, less power, less range, in order to have something economically affordable for most of the people, and not at only high level, which will occur also in India, but for very few people. Alors, in order to reduce this cost, there are different kind of action. The first one is the design of the cars, to have efficient cars. After is the design of the battery pack, to have something efficient. And again, what I was saying before, probably in India, you don't need the level of power, the level of range expected in Europe or in China, for example. So probably there's an area, a market share for this level of market, and then it will reduce the price, because really the price is linked to the level of energy. So as well as you're reducing the level of energy, the price will decrease. Really, I'm very delighted for the presentation. It's first time for me to come in this event, and I was very surprised by the number of questions and also the accuracy of the question. The people are very well informed, and they had many precise questions, and I was really not expecting that. So really, very good event, well organized. A lot of people of industry, a lot of contacts also. So thank you for this event.